Hello, everybody. My name is Andre Zarati, and this is my professional website. So, a little bit about myself. I am 25 years old from Fontana, California, and I am currently majoring in business administration here at the University of Arizona. So, a little bit about what you'll find in this website is first things first is my resume. In there, you'll see some of my prior work experiences, and you'll see how I can be an asset to any team or workplace I'm at. Next, you'll see a couple work examples where I showcase some of the things I do at work that make me better for any team I may be put on. Next, I have some of my school projects or school examples written and presentation. There you will see a few PowerPoints and written examples from prior classes that I took here at the U of A. Lastly, you will find my contact information where you guys can get a hold of me. Thank you.